Good day and thanks for joining us on the Gaza Media News Recap.
Lebialem youth stand strong. Menji people move up. Alu Valley rise up. Unity calling, don't stop. Menji morning breaking, hear the whistle blow. Children running forward, future start to grow. Years of heavy shadows fading from the land. Now the youth are rising, ball at foot and heart in hand. Teachers in the corner, cheering every play. Parents in the sunlight, smiling through the day. Education shining, brighter than before. Football is the doorway, opening the door. Lebialem youth returning home, finding strength in every zone. From Malu Hills to Menji Town, we lift each other, never down. This tournament is hope. Hey! Kick for peace, kick for school, kick for youth, kick for unity. Bangwa drums are beating, echo through the field. Mundani voices rising, strength we always wield. We're dancers on the sidelines, colors in the air. Lebialem united, every tribe is there. What tried to divide us, tried to steal our flame, but Menji stands unbroken, proud to say our name. Football is the healing, football is the song, football is the reason youth are coming strong. Kick the ball for freedom, kick the ball for peace, kick the ball for children, let the learning never cease. Kick the ball for futures, kick the ball for dreams, kick the ball for unity, let the valley hear our screams. Menji is rising, oh. Unity guiding every soul. Lebialem youth coming on. This tournament is love, this tournament is hope. Menji to Alu, let the message flow. Lebialem together, stronger as we grow. Football is the heartbeat, beating like a drum. Tell the world our story, brighter days will come. Alele, 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 alele. Libya.